Whenever you need to move these Spade connectors, the first thing to do would be to take away the plastic cover to see exactly how it's connected. Now most of them do have a little lock-in tab. Now you can release it by using a small screwdriver and pushing it in one side or the other. There's no specific way of doing it. You really have to look at the connector to see exactly how it's pushed in to release it. Don't assume that it's simply a push in, pull out one. A lot of them are compression type, but if you try to pull it, it's quite easy to damage the plug. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you need to see more of my DIY videos, then please go onto my channel.